If you're tired of pet hair or just need easier daily cleaning, this vacuum is definitely a good choice. It keeps my floors clean and my carpets too, so that is one less thing I have to do. I've been using the Roborock E4 Vacuum Mop for a few years now, and it's been a game changer, especially with all the pet hair in my home. I've gone through a few other robotic vacuums before in the search for one that actually did the job, and I think I found it. Setting it up was super easy with the app, where you can control everything from your phone. You can program a cleaning schedule. Mine cleans every night at 8 p.m. Just make sure to not leave any cords lying around so it won't get stuck. If it ever gets stuck, it notifies you and turns off. The dustbin is quite large, so I don't have to empty it until it's done cleaning. The battery lasts a long time without needing a recharge. And when it does, it returns to the dock, charges up, and resumes where it left off. It also returns to the dock once it's done cleaning. My home is over 3,000 square feet, and it never runs out of charge while cleaning, even after 3 years of use. It is very easy to empty the bin and to clean the brush. I love that they are easy to replace also. I purchased several brushes and mop replacements and keep them in stock for when I need them. The vacuum uses smart tech like gyroscopes and optic eye to track where it's been and where it needs to go. The suction is powerful and works great for both hard floors and carpets. It does best on low pile or medium pile carpets and rugs. I like that it includes a mop attachment. It doesn't scrub the floor, so don't expect deep mopping, but it definitely wipes the floor clean pretty well. I usually like to get the mop insert cloth wet before putting it on to give it a boost. Even with the mop attachment on, it easily climbs on my low pile rug, and the Roborock is slim enough to get under furniture easily, leaving no spot uncleaned. I also like how it handles obstacles and transitions. I've noticed it does a pretty good job along the edges, thanks to the side brush that speeds up near walls. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.